Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Khalid. I'm from Gaza Strip. So I'm here from like 1.5 years. I'm medical student. So first of all, today the date is 7th of October. We have to mention that 7th of October, it was reaction, not action. As some news saying it's we are attacked Israel. That's wrong actually. This is a reaction from 17 occupations in Gaza. So it was before 7th of October, it was war. 2008, 2012, 2014, 2018, 2021. So no country, no one talk about that. When we make reaction for all of these things, for all of the occupation, they are saying we are attack them. That's wrong. We are defense ourselves. That's it. So unfortunately, at the first of the war, most of the governments in the world, they didn't believe that Israel 100% to calling us destroyed. As you know now, there is no land in Gaza, completely are destroyed. 90%. There is no land. After more than 1.5 years, okay, they are saying, okay, it's enough for Israel in this day. They are dead enough. It's enough from the killing. This is time for move. This is the time to speak up. The people that they are not saying anything about the situation in Gaza, keep silent, nothing. I can say they are not human. They are not people. You're welcome.